Wish that I could stay in this moment forever.
Hello friends and welcome back. It is Friday and we're doing all the Friday things today. Sophie's starting her handwriting. We're getting ready to leave and go take Katie. She only has math today, so for whatever reason she does not have English, so we're gonna go to Target on the way to school this morning and pick up some breakfast.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right.
We are on the way to take Katie to school. Been a lot going on. I feel like we haven't caught up in a while. I think it's because I usually do 2 vlogs in a week. In the past 2 weeks, I just had all this homeschool stuff in my head that needed to get out on a video. So if you've missed those, I put up our curriculum for next year, which of course is only Sophie because Katie will be in college next year, like everything, like she'll be a freshman in college. And then so I've got Sophie's curriculum video that went up two weeks ago Wednesday, and then this past Wednesday I put up our schedule, how I'm going to change our schedule for next year. And I think I'm going to be putting up a Homeschool Planet video. Just for some of y'all have asked me like more specifics on it. I think I'm just going to show you how I can super quickly add my entire school year, probably within a matter of 30 minutes. And just like a quick how-to or whatever. But I don't really know if that's something y'all want to see. So if that is something that you would really like to see, just more detail on Homeschool Planet, basically watching me plan my year. I've already planned my year, but I could just create like a different fake child and redo it and show you how I do it or whatever. But let me know if that's something that you want to see. So Katie's got some news. She is tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Saturday. She's got a full day class tomorrow that's like a driver's ed class, and then at the end of March she has 3 like in the car classes, and on the last one they're going to actually do her driving test. So we're hopeful that that'll go well, and then after that she'll hopefully have her license. We just have to take the paperwork that they give to the DMV and, you know, surrender her permit and get the license done. So that's what we're hoping. Traffic down here has been an absolute nightmare. February is like the new June or July even. We've had some cold days, but we've probably lately had a lot more warm days like this.
We've had some record high temperatures for
right.
February.
Like yesterday the high was like 75 and it was really, really nice. It wasn't humid or muggy or anything, which is unusual when we have warm weather. So it was really nice. So I guess as a result of that, that's the only thing we can think of. We don't really know why people are here during the off season, which I don't really think we have anymore. But there was so many people here, it's been hard like to get to school and stuff. So since the traffic's been so bad, Katie's just been kind of reluctant to drive because it's honestly kind of treacherous out there, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Just with people not knowing how to use traffic circles. And of course, if you know anything about Hilton Head, you know we have more than our fair share of traffic circles. So hopefully though this class will kind of get Katie's confidence up and get her through that last little hurdle, because she does know how to drive and she's a very good driver, but I think she needs a little bit of confidence, and I think she needs a little bit of help with some of those like things that are more specific to the test, you know, like parallel parking, maybe backing up in a straight line, whatever they put on the test that you don't use every day when you're a driver. I think she's already good at the 3-point turn. I know that's one of the things, but anyway, we're looking forward to that and having that done.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe
Have a good day, Katie.
enough for you.
Love you.
So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start.
Alright, we dropped Katie off. We went to Target. We got a couple things, but not everything that we needed. It was a mess. Like, maybe they didn't have enough employees to, you know, put things straight or whatever. And it was very picked over because there's still a lot of winter clothes in there, and it's been so warm here. I think we have people like coming down here and like buying stuff when they get here because maybe wherever they are, they can't get, you know, shorts and t-shirts or whatever. So we found Sophie 2 shirts and 1 nightgown, but we were also looking for bathing suits and couldn't find anything there. I'm thinking about going online later to try to find Sophie some stuff. We're also going to be out of town next week. We're going to be in Lexington for some doctor's appointments, so maybe we could look there as well. But eating my breakfast. The girls already ate theirs, but I was driving. But he got some bacon egg bites, and I got an iced vanilla latte, so it's nice to switch back to the iced. Hello, Sophie. We gonna do school? Are you frozen?
No.
Are we gonna do school?
Yes.
Yeah. We brought Sophie's school to do, hopefully, while Katie's in math. Her calculus class ends at 1:10, and it's 11:38 right now, so I could go to Sam's while she's in class, but I just don't know if I can get back in time. I do need to do that, so I'm gonna eat my egg bites and then decide if we're gonna go to Sam's or if we're just gonna do school in the car and wait on her.
We should do one.
You wanna do school?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll probably do school then, since that's what she wants to do. It's always better when they want to do the school, right, mamas?
Yes, you want to go first,
Uh-huh.
and then you want to do something else.
Yeah, and we only have language arts and math to do because we did her science yesterday, just knowing it was going to be a little bit of a hectic day. And we also did her handwriting before she left, so we didn't have to do anything else. So we should be able to get it done fairly quickly. Y'all know we recently switched to this Good and the Beautiful math level 2. I want to let y'all know that Sophie is just motoring through this thing. She's doing so well, aren't you, Sophie?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Yeah.
She usually asks to do it, which makes me think she likes it. And
Yeah.
there's certain things in here she thinks are really fun. There's like this logic thing you do with the stars.
Yeah.
But anyway, what I wanted to tell y'all about this is that she's already on lesson 53 out of 120. We've been doing, every day since we started it, we've been doing 2 lessons a day, just because a lot of this is review. Some of it's new, and some of it is just stuff she hasn't done in a really long time because Rod and staff wasn't really covering it. But anyway, because Sophie did do the Good and the Beautiful math level K a couple of years ago, but that was the old style math. So this is, I guess, what is this one called? Simply Good and Beautiful. So this is like math 2.0 or whatever. But anyway, I wanted to try to see if she could finish this level this school year, because we were trying to finish 2nd grade math this year. So what I did was I had it to where we're scheduled to do 2 lessons a day until we get to the point in which she can do 1 lesson a day to finish the year. So I think that takes us through like the end of March with 2 lessons a day. So we got another month of that, but she's doing it really well, and it doesn't take that long to do. Usually the lessons are either 2 or 3 pages, so we're doing about 5 pages a day. And it takes us probably about 30 minutes to do about 5 pages in the book a day. So it kind of depends on what the lesson is or whatever, but it's, I know it's highly varied. The lesson isn't just like a whole page of a certain type of problem. It's all mixed up of different types of things, and I think that's what Sophie likes about it. But the games are a lot easier to do with less stuff than the original math. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. We're on lesson 53. It says days in each month poem. All right, so how many days are in each month is clear. February has 28, but 29 on
Right here.
good. 30 days are in
And
September,
September,
April,
April,
June,
June,
and November.
November.
The rest have
31.
good job. All right, now we're gonna skip count by threes from 3 to 30. Okay, ready? 3,
3,
6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 20. Go ahead.
21.
Good. 20, 24, and 20,
7.
30, and we're
we're
done. Okay, so we're remembering our CC song for the skip counting of threes. All right, complete the crossword puzzle. Use number words for the answers with numbers. So get out your pencil from your box. Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below. Oh, what did you get?
I don't know.
That says 1,
4,
and that is
3,
how many total?
4,
How many shaded?
1,
So it's 1,
1,
4. So you did get a match.
Yeah.
You won the game.
Yay.
Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot.
How was the driving class, Katie?
It was pretty boring.
Was it?
8 hours is too long for anybody.
They probably just want you to finish it in one day.
Yeah, but it was also boring because this is the kind of class that you really should take before getting your permit, because it's assuming that you have 0 driving experience.
Mm-hmm. But you had to take this before they would let you on the road, right?
Yeah.
You also get an insurance discount for sitting through the 8 hours. At least it's done. Now we wait, what, a month
A month.
before you
pretty
get
much.
your other 3 classes and then get to take your test.
What handsome?
Look handsome? Okay.
Yuri's gonna grill some burgers for supper. We get these from Harris Teeter, right? They're like bacon cheddar.
Yeah, the burger.
Super good. They're expensive though, so we don't get them very often.
I've had them since last summer.
Yeah. Were they expensive?
$14.40 is what it says on the thing for 4.
I don't know if that's more or less than what we used to spend.
I mean, if you think about going to, say, Five Guys or a place that sells good burgers, you're going to pay more than that.
Yeah, definitely.
And these are as good as Five Guys, probably better.
They're better.
Yeah.
I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun. chillin', I just, you and I, every crazy.
Thanks for hanging out today with us, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.